Some of you may be familiar with Tsukiji Fish Market, which used to be famous for its early morning tuna auctions, but unfortunately they relocated that to the new Toyosu Market, so you'll have to go over there if that's something you want to see. But even then, this place is still really lively and a great place if you want to grab fresh seafood or street photography. For this session, I'm actually trying out a new lens, which is this 40mm f2 prime, so we'll head out onto the streets and see what I can do with it. I picked this lens up mainly so I could travel lighter, but it's also really tiny, so I can move around more easily in crowded areas, and I don't stand out as much compared to when I'm carrying a huge backpack and a much longer lens. Another thing you'll probably notice is that I've set my camera's color profile to monochrome, or black and white. And honestly, I'm not really doing it for any other reason other than it's been a lot of fun and I've been enjoying black and white photography lately. But what I've also found by doing this is that by removing color from the picture, it actually forces me to think more about what's present in the scene and to think more carefully about how I compose a photo. But overall, it's really just a lot of fun. You've probably noticed that I spend a lot of time retreading the same ground and returning to the same spots. And that's something I actually do a lot of when I'm out on a photo walk. Sometimes I find a spot or a composition that's interesting to me, but there's no subject or nobody there to place inside my frame, at which I might wait a little while, but usually I move on and come back later just to check if there's a better opportunity for a more interesting photo. But I'm also just pretty impatient and I enjoy staying on the move. hope you guys enjoyed tagging along for the walk. It's a fun place to come hang out with friends, grab some food, or do some street photography together. And for me, it was really refreshing to change things up by shooting with a different lens than what I'm normally accustomed to. And also, also being able to travel so much lighter. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.